Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this. I hope you can see me. It's pretty dark here. The brilliance of Sony camera is it looks so bright, right? I'll tell you how dark it is actually in this room. That's how dark it is in this room, man. It's a Friday evening and I'm bored. All my friends are busy. Stock trading work for today is done. So just watching some YouTube. What kind of channels do you see typically when you're at home, just lazing around? Would love to know. Share your favorite channels in the comment section besides mine, obviously. Anyway, I want to show you guys one thing. I've been so lazy that I haven't even removed this cover since our last breakfast ride, which was probably 4 weeks back. I love these rain covers. Costed me 1500 or something. Brilliant covers. I've kept the bike dry in this. You know how it was raining in Hyderabad? If not, go check out some videos. Crazy bonkers of rain over the last 1 week. Only this week we saw some sun, but the 2 weeks before that, it was raining non-stop. This cover kept it dry. Unfortunately, I don't think it's on Amazon, but I purchased it from Rida website. No, not a sponsorship. I purchased. Best cover purchase till date. In fact, I got one more for the Apache because Apache is kind of lying there. It's a bike that I use for small task rides, so I keep it outside. It's been ages since I started this, so I just want to start it for a while and keep it because, oh man. Oh. There is something that's happening to this windshield. It's slowly chipping off. This is here too, and here, and here. Probably there's something wrong with this windshield. I've been waiting to write to Turotech about it to hopefully get a replacement. But I doubt I would get it because I bought it from a third-party vendor and they don't have any warranties. 5,000 save करने के लिए, if you do jugads like that, and then there is no warranty, the brand can do nothing. Anyway, I'll still reach out to them and hopefully something can be done about it. Let's start the bike and see how it is after a long time. I really love the animation. Tank reserve level. This has been like that. Only 14 kilometers fuel भी नहीं है. Gonna do the one finger test. That was tricky. Ideally, you're not supposed to change hands, but there is a balance point on every bike. You can balance any bike like that. The last moment here, I could feel some part of the pain because it was tilting. It's been a while and it's on neutral. So always I couldn't put it in gear because I'm turning the engine's on, right? Been so long since I took this bike out. Can you see the rusting on the chain? Need to rotate the wheel a bit. The lubing is fine. Actually, you know what? Let's go for a short ride, refuel it and come back. Okay? See you on the road. Feels so good to be back on the bike. Oh man. It's been a month. I think I keep saying that quite a lot. Miss this bike. Gonna just do a quick refill. I'll be visiting the fuel station after a long time, guys. Like really long. 2 messages hai. On the screen, you can check out messages too. So tank reserve is reserve level bhi reach ho gaya. And then the service is due. So need to visit the service center because it's been 1 year. And I would love to do a 1-year ownership review and also tell you guys how the service experience is like. Typically the bill is around 10 to 12,000 rupees per each service, except I think 30,000 service when things need to be checked. I don't have any gloves or shoes or riding gear, so gonna take it a bit slow. Anyway, what's up with you guys? Today we are actually supposed to go to Kondapochamma Reservoir. I wanted to take the car, few others wanted to join, but suddenly plan ko kuch nahi hua. Shiva's bike delivery is gonna happen soon, so a lot of things are held up because of that. We wanted to finish that and then make some plans. I just wish this bike had a lower seat height. It had that lower seat height option. I can touch my feet down, but not easily. Whenever you have certain bad patches where you can't touch both your feet down, or at least one of your feet down, having a lower seat height gives you that extra confidence. That's what I find it on the Africa Twin, the Tiger 900, not the Rally Pro but the GT version, the road variant. The Rally Pro is as tall as this, but you can adjust seat height easily on that. For this, the easiest way for me is to buy a lower seat which won't have that much of cushion, and still it would end up costing me almost 40,000 rupees, which I am not interested in. Don't know what's wrong with the windshield. It's not chipping away, but slowly it's getting brittle inside, and I think eventually it would crack up, which is not a good thing. I have to attend a seminar by 6 o'clock by Aether. You remember Aether? You remember this video?
No.
Full tank, full tank.
ना इसमें स्पीड क्या था?
नॉर्मल
बस है.
बस है. इसका टैंक कैपेसिटी 15 लीटर्स है. रिजर्व इज 2.5, so almost hit reserve there. Almost full है. I think we haven't filled it to the brim. Should not be a problem. Anyway, local rides here na. Next stop, tire pressure. Actually skip कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास टायर इन्फ्लेटर है ना. इसको क्या हुआ? The Discovery guy is getting too excited. Better not follow him. He's driving slightly crazy. Too aggressive. By the way, thank you for that amazing love for the last video. I'm glad that you enjoyed that drone footage and also the transition. I expect to see more, but outside the city in premises where we can actually fly the drone. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to do the Kondapochamma Sagar reservoir this week. Apparently it's so busy on weekends. Weekdays are the only time when it's good. So I was waiting for these guys to do it, but most of them are busy. And a lot of you guys in the comment section commented about how Karnataka is, how Tamil Nadu and Kerala are. Thank you so much again for sharing us so many details. In fact, on Instagram I got government notifications on the local areas. So apparently Madhya Pradesh has no restrictions, but you can still download an e-pass instantly. Karnataka has lifted the restrictions. Kerala is slightly tough. Tamil Nadu is also slightly tough, if I am not wrong. Goa is cleared, but people there are not comfortable with tourists. See, most of the places, I'm sure they are not checking it thoroughly, because September 1st said that you are gonna see unlock 4, so the restrictions are gonna ease up much more. There's a chance that metro rails would be open too, and in that sense, lot of things are opening up. So good time to travel, but the concerns still like COVID is quite prevalent, so we have to be very careful where we go. But in September there will definitely be a ride, guys. There will definitely be a ride. At least me and Streaman, we're gonna plan one and go. Rest of them, it's tough and tricky, but for us this is like, for him it's the job. For me, majority of the time it's about motorcycles, the vlog. So vlogging has become actually a part-time job for me. And if things pick up well, and if we reach our certain targets, this can end up being my full-time activity, which I'm enjoying pretty well. It's just that I'm not putting more time into it till we reach a certain target. So it's like that chicken and egg story, which came first, but I think it works both ways. You know the chicken and egg story, right? Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Let me know in the comment section, because our channel is pretty good in engagement. We want more engagement, so let's have some discussion in the comment section. And feel free to comment on Instagram, guys. I keep replying there once in a while, but on the posts Whenever there are open public comments, I keep replying to them. Anyway, almost reaching home, so we'll catch you guys once I reach home. So we'll finish this seminar and get back to you.
A few moments later.
Done with the small meeting that I was talking about. It was an Aether event trying to create more awareness, also bust some myths about Aether. We pretty much know most of them, but it was nice to see the team respond to some of the questions. Unfortunately, I have to head out. Meeting Rohit, we're just chilling out. It's Friday night. We'll catch you guys on the road. Hey guys, on my way to Rochi's house. Just done with the Zoom call with Aether guys too, so they're just giving me updates. This was just with the influencers who got the test drives. You remember in March, I went for test driving the 450X. Tentative launch date is maybe October, I guess, November for the 450X here in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. These are probably the few cities that initially launching. Hyderabad is one of them. Looking forward to it. Still need to see the collector's edition, which I booked. So people who booked early, they would be getting the collector's edition. So waiting to see renders or the final look of that collector's edition. Still not sure if I should trade in my Apache for the Aether. Still need to make the decision, but excited to see that bike finally, scooter finally come out. Just got a few questions answered by the team there, and I think they'll release it probably on their YouTube channel soon. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, we'll reach Rochi's house and catch you guys. Okay?
Okay.
Continuation.
Agastya's walker, you know, how does it stop better than our bikes? Look at this, it doesn't go down the stairs.
Anta express akkarle leda.
Ding. One more time.
Okay, there is nothing here. In case you are wondering, it's normal. Hey guys, that was it for today's video. After reaching Rochi's house, we just chilled for a while and then came back home around 10:30. And we got some good news. So evening we have the delivery. So the next video will be the delivery video. So stay tuned for that. It should come up sometime Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday. That's my video upload schedules. So stay tuned for that and excited for the delivery. So we'll probably catch you guys in the next video and hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night. Take care. Bye bye.